Hey, what's going on, guys? Wanted to do a quick video on how I mounted up the O2 Escalade headlights on my O3 that had the factory HIDs in it. So, if you're looking for new headlights, I'm pretty sure y'all noticed like the price difference. The O2s are like 140, 150 bucks for a brand new set of headlights. For the O3s and up that had the factory HIDs, they're like 350, 300. That's on Amazon too, right? So I was like, you know what? Let me just try to order them and see what's like, what the difference is, right? So the plug is the same. The plug is the same as the other one. The only difference is the mounting bracket for the HID, right? So what you have to do is take off the bracket and put in the new headlight, and that's it. It'll work. What I did was I just drilled two holes, one right there to access the bolts right there. Um, these I didn't really drill them like freaking badass or whatever. On the other one I did, on the new one I did, but I don't really care about this one because it's getting thrown away. But yeah, just take out the bracket from the original headlight. Take out the bracket, put in the new one, and then take out the wiring harness that goes to the HID, and put that one in the new one, and that's it. You're all done. Everything else freaking matches up. It's all good. If you have any questions or concerns or comments or whatever the fuck, just hit me up.